Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your mobile apps theme with Material You step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the latest version of Android Studio installed on your computer. Open your existing mobile app project in Android Studio. Locate the app's Gradle file, typically found in the app module. Verify that your Compile SDK version is set to at least Android 12 for Material You compatibility. Navigate to the build.gradle file and update the dependencies section to include Material components. Add the dependency for com.google.android.material and Material 1.5.0 or the latest version available. Sync the project to download the necessary dependencies. Next, open your app's theme XML file, usually located in res/values/themes.xml. Identify your current theme, whether it's a light or dark theme. To incorporate Material You, change the parent theme to theme.materialcomponents.daynight. Customize your theme by integrating color attributes specific to Material You. Use the new dynamic color feature by adding the color primary and color secondary attributes. Assign values to these attributes using the Material theme color attributes, like color primary container or color secondary container. If your app supports API level 31 or higher, consider using the dynamic color feature by integrating Android color primary and related attributes. Next, create a new resource file named colors.xml under the res/values directory. Define your color palette in this file, ensuring to implement Material components in your layouts, updating views to leverage Material buttons, cards, or other widgets. Revisit each UI element to ensure they align with the new theme's color and elevation standards. Test your app on a device running Android 12 or higher to observe dynamic theming in action. Inspect the app for consistency across screens and make adjustments to the UI as needed. If your app has a splash screen, customize it to reflect the new theme. Finally, compile and run your updated app to see the new theme in effect. Ensure to review the final app for any additional tweaks before considering it ready for release. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.